I started feeling pain probably late 2012, 2013. There were times I'd be walking along and I would just about fall because my knee would hit just right and the pain would be intense. That happened more frequently. I thought, we need to get something done. We need to get rid of the pain. The Excel program is very unique. Having 24-hour to 48-hour care immediately after surgery is wonderful. I mean, the worries of not having to go home and worry, what if something's wrong? Am I doing something wrong? What do I have to look for? And then having your physical therapy all built into the program so you can go to therapy as long as you need to, you can't ask for anything better. My wife really got me through this process. I mean, she was the one who was constantly helping out. I don't think I would have gotten through it without her. I know I can live life again. I mean, I can live the life I want to live without limitations. And that's the part that is so enjoyable. We want to do a lot now as I get ready to retire soon, so I can look forward to saying I can do that. You can't hold me back just because of the pain anymore.